Together with Priority Partners, we're kicking off the Cupboard Project, a program to bring food and literacy resources to communities in Maryland.
We accepted the challenge to design and build cupboards, free mini pantries and libraries installed locally. The Priority Partners cupboards will provide food and nutritional resources where they're needed the most in the community.
Our communities have been affected in a multitude of ways. So if there was something that could alleviate the trips of having to find the basic things like food, that would alleviate some of that stress that people in these communities are constantly dealing with. This project is something Baltimore needs.
To complete this challenge, we're going to get input from our teams, have a few check-ins, and then put them out to you to vote. That one that wins is going to be designed and built, and they're going to be installed at Cupboard events. For more information and updates on the Priority Partners Cupboard Project, go to www.prioritypartnerscupboards.com.